How to download and install TikTok Lite on your Android phone. So first of all, open your Play Store, and then from here tap on the search icon right here. Then we'll get to the search page. Then from here tap on the search bar right here, and then start typing TikTok Lite. Here you can get the TikTok Lite option, tap on it, and then search for it. In here you can see TikTok Lite is this one. If the TikTok logo has this energy icon right here, you'll have to know that this is the TikTok Lite application. Simply tap on it. Here you can see it says TikTok Lite. Then from here, simply tap on the install option right here and wait for a few minutes. And after finishing the download and installation process, here you can see we have successfully installed it on our phone. If you want to open the application, simply tap on this open option right here. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.